a little surprised to see me like this because usually I'm kind of behind the camera. Today I thought of stepping out of the house, and then I thought, why not take you all along with me? So if you want to join me in a warm sunny evening, then come along. So unlike how you are used to, here everything you have to do yourself, including filling the petrol.
In all gas stations, you can see these kind of convenience stores where you can pick up your travel essentials like basic medicines, snacks, pillows, and use the washroom too. I just picked up a bottle of water.
Hi, can I have a cold coffee and some hash browns, please?
What size coffee do you want?
Small?
A small iced coffee. Would you like cream and sugar?
Yeah, with cream and sugar.
Can I get you anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you.
An evening is incomplete without a cup of coffee, so decided to grab a cold one for myself to beat this heat.
So right now you are at Morgan Falls Overlook Park, and this is a great place with a beautiful recreational area overlooking a lake and a perfect place for spending your summer evening. So come, I'll take you along.
Apart from having a kids play area, there is a recreational area with picnic tables where you can have your small gatherings with friends and families.
And now it is better. Like you used to say, I find these old.
So I'm loving the swing with the evening breeze, and especially when it is overlooking such a beautiful lake.
Sometimes I feel tired of my
This is a historical chimney and the fireplace which is hundreds of years old, and as you can see it's made with lot of small and big flat rocks.
Do you know that the historical standing chimney is constructed in the 1830s and preserved since then? This stone area with the fire pit is used to warm up during the cold months.
It's like start a fire.
Look at that beautiful lake behind me. Come, I'll take you there.
When you go down, you reach the boat dock with the riverside paddle shack. This is the best place for outdoor lovers, and you can rent out a paddle boat to enjoy the serene waters. The paddler must be above 5 years, and yes, pets are allowed too.
As you can see, this is a nice trail which is perfect for a leisurely evening walk.
Next, we are going to the Morgan Falls River Park, which is just at the opposite side. It's a must-go destination if you are at the Overlook Park.
You gave me the letter. I guess it was July. You said we'll be better, but I don't know why.
Right now I'm standing at the Morgan Falls Dam, which is constructed on this beautiful Chattahoochee River. It's a great scenic view from here.
Opened in 1904, Morgan Falls is the oldest hydroelectric facility in Georgia. If you enjoy fishing, then you can spend some time here doing that too. So hope you liked my company, enjoyed your evening, and also liked the places where I took you to. Thank you so much for coming along. I loved having you too. And if you would like to visit more places, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification.